Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So you've seen the title. This is the only review in English on YouTube of the Fila Astatine. This is my classic review of a running sneaker from a casual perspective. And feel free to get hurt. I do that. I don't really give a shit. This is actually my first ever Fila sneaker. I've unboxed these last year on my Christmas special video and I've been testing them since. This is the perfect example of me getting a sneaker just because I like the design, because this might be one of the worst sneakers in my collection. And if you're a new viewer, what I hate the most in a sneaker is the heel drag, the sole squeaking, the lack of pronation prevention, and if it picks up dirt. And you get all that with these. So let's get right into the things I don't like. As I said, there's heel drag, even though the midsole stack is not that high. This style of color is pure trash. I absolutely hate it. It's the same with these Scott Speed Carbon and 361 degrees Flame RS. Because of this type of color, there's a gap here when stepping, and these pick up dirt, leaves, shit. And there's heavy pronation, overpronation, whatever you call it. The feet sink in towards the inside. When walking on tiles, there's really loud squeaking noises, which I absolutely hate. But maybe that's because these are very grippy, I don't know. These are slightly unstable because of this shape. It's narrow towards the back. The tongue is pure trash because it keeps sliding even if it's fixed. And it's also too long. The outsole came unglued here. I think this is how they were made. This heel cup sounds like it's cracking. And finally, if you find these, you should 100% go a size up. As usual, I'll put the whole list in the pinned comment, but let's see another on feet and I'll be back with the things I like. Alright, so I absolutely love the design and the way these look on feet, both from far away and from above. If you sell a carbon plated sneaker, then I really want to see the carbon. The materials on these are very nice and breathable. They are nicely made. There's a thick padding strip here in the back. I really like the reinforced hard toe cap and heel cup, which all sneakers should have. They give these a nice structure and shape. The tongue is really nicely made with this fused felt, so there's no raw edges on the inside. That looks like attention to details. I like the fact you sit on all the stack and the outsole is very easy to clean. And finally, the name is really cool. Apparently Astatine is the world's rarest element. But anyway, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions and thank you for watching.